This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto in Sweat Wallet. The Sweat Wallet offers a unique way to acquire digital assets. You earn Sweat cryptocurrency simply by moving your body and taking steps each day. Unlike many other platforms, you cannot directly purchase crypto with traditional money within the Sweat Wallet application. Instead, the primary and exclusive method involves converting your hard-earned Sweat tokens into other supported cryptocurrencies. Let's dive into how this innovative system works. Earning Sweat is straightforward and fun. Your daily physical activity, specifically your steps, are automatically converted into Sweat tokens. The Sweatcoin application, which integrates with your Sweat Wallet, meticulously tracks your movement. For every 1,000 steps you take, you typically generate one Sweat token. To maximize your cryptocurrency earnings, simply focus on increasing your daily step count. Every step literally brings you closer to more digital assets. Once you have accumulated enough Sweat, the next step is converting it into other cryptocurrencies. Within your Sweat Wallet, look for the Trade or Exchange section. Here, you will find options to swap your Sweat tokens for a selection of other digital assets. Common choices often include Near Protocol and Ethereum, among others. Before finalizing any conversion, always take a moment to review the current exchange rates to ensure you are getting the best value for your earned Sweat. After successfully converting your Sweat, your new cryptocurrency assets are securely held within your Sweat Wallet. From here, you have several options for managing them. You can choose to send these digital assets to external cryptocurrency exchanges for further trading or to cash them out. Alternatively, you can explore various decentralized finance opportunities, using your holdings to earn passive income or participate in other Web3 activities. Always double-check recipient addresses carefully before initiating any transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.